Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am going to go over some of the best deals at Dollar General for the week of September 1st through September 7th. And just a reminder, we did not get any paper coupon inserts this week in our newspapers, so most of these are all digital coupon deals. There is this 2-day sale going on Sunday and Monday this week. I did not include those deals in this video because I am just getting to this video on Monday afternoon. I apologize for that. We did get that digital save 5 off of 25 for Saturday, September 7th. Some people got 2 off of 10, 3 off of 10. I did not get any of those digital coupons, but I am so glad for the people that did. For this first deal, you want to pick up the Aleve Back and Muscle, and it's on sale this week for $3.75. You also want to pick up the Aleve Pain Reliever Fever Reducer 50 count for $6.75. Now we're going to go over the digital coupons that you will need to do this deal. You want the Dollar General store coupon of Save $3 when you purchase $10 worth of Bear products. Now, if you're new to couponing at Dollar General, you can stack Dollar General store coupons with manufacturer coupons. You're also going to want the digital Save $3 on the Aleve Back and Muscle 24 count or larger. And the digital Save $2 on anyone Aleve 40 count or larger. So your total is going to be $10.80. You have $8 in coupons, leaving your total before tax $2.50. Now you can also just get the Aleve Back and Muscle and use that digital coupon, and your total will be 75 cents. For this next deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Colgate Sensitive Toothpaste 4.6 ounce for $4 each. We have a digital coupon for Save $4 on any 2 Colgate, and it lists the kind that you can get. I will say, with this coupon, there's always some kind of trouble. Make sure you're scanning the toothpaste on your app to make sure that coupon is going to match up. I saw some deals someone had posted using the Colgate Optic White. You cannot do the $3 one. It won't match up. I scanned it. You have to get the Optic White Advanced if you're going to get the Optic White. So your final price would be 2 for $4. All right, we got another Dollar General store coupon for Save $5 on any gain-scented purchase, but instead of $20, you have to spend $30. And according to people that I've seen on like Instagram, this coupon is not attaching to everything it should. So if you do a gain deal using this coupon, make sure you're scanning your products. Now that we can scan products on our app, guys, you really should scan everything you're going to buy so you don't get up to the register and have a major problem. So this week we have Gain products on sale. The Flings 12 to 14 count, the liquid fabric softener 48 load, the fabric softener sheets 105 count, the Fireworks, the liquid laundry detergent, and the powder are all on sale for $3.95. We did get some new Gain coupons this week. They are Save $2. One's for the Gain liquid fabric enhancer or Fireworks or Gain sheets, and the other is for the liquid laundry detergent, powder, or Flings, making your final costs $1.95. For the next deal, you want to get 2 of the Gain Ultra Dishwashing Dish Soap 21.6 ounce for $2 each. We got the dishwashing liquid digital coupon back for Save 2 when you buy 2 on the 21.6 ounce or larger. So the price for 2 of them would be just $2. The Tide liquid laundry detergent 40 ounce is on sale for $4.95, and the Tide Pods 16 count are $4.95. We have a digital coupon for Save $2 on the Tide, so whichever one you choose, your final cost will be $2.95. These Scott 6 Big Roll paper towels are on sale this week for $5 a pack. We have a digital coupon for Save $1 on 1 Scott towels 6 count or larger, making your final cost just $4. The Bounty Essentials 6 rolls is on sale this week for $4.95. We have a digital coupon for save $1 on one Bounty paper towel product, 4 count or larger, making your final cost just $3.95. The Extra liquid laundry detergent 150 ounce is on sale this week for $4.50. We have a digital coupon for $1 off any one Extra 150 ounce, making your final cost just $3.50. The Scott Comfort Plus toilet paper, 6 big rolls, is $2.75. We have a digital coupon for save $1 on one package of Scott bath tissue, 6 rolls or larger, making your final cost just $1.75. For this deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Clover Valley watermelon juice for $1 a piece, and you can also get the strawberry. We have a Dollar General store coupon for buy one, get one free on the Clover Valley ready to drink, and that includes the watermelon or the strawberry lemonade. So this would be something good if you needed like a filler item. All right, guys, I'd like to thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you would. I'd love to have you subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to be scanning your receipts on the Fetch app. If you don't have the Fetch app, I will put my link in the description box below this video. And when you scan your first receipt, I think it will give you a couple dollars to start out with just for using my link. If you don't know what it is, all you do is scan your receipts. It gives you points, and then you turn the points into money, and you can redeem for gift cards. Also, just a reminder, I know I say it over and over again, but make sure you're scanning your items on your app just to make sure those coupons are going to match up. It's always such a bummer when you get up to the register, you think you've got everything in order, and one of the coupons doesn't match the product that you have. I'll be doing some 5 off of 25 breakdowns in a video later this week. I hope this video helps you come up with your own ideas, and I hope everyone has a great week ahead.